So this is my door as an RA. I had to decorate it, and y'all know I love Starbucks. A latte about your RA. Alright. So let's get started. So when you come in at the door, I have my dresser right here, and I set this little area up like a makeup station, and I have this picture here from my first room tour. It says be happy, be bright, be you. And then y'all know I got my garbage can. And then in this room as an RA, I have a different kind of desk. It's very big. It's bigger than the one that I had as a regular student. And you know, I have my box for my business. I bought this pink chrome clock from Walmart. I got my laptop, my printer, and then my chair with my throw and like a little pillow. And then under there I have the stuff for my business. And then I brought my speaker down. And as a RA, you get fridge privileges. So I bought a fridge, and I bought these little cubicles to make like a little snack station. And at the bottom right there, I have snacks from Chicago. Up there I have cereal and noodles, and right here at the top of the refrigerator I have chips and stuff for the girls on my floor if they want to come in here and snack between classes. And I have the condiments right there, and then I have bowls and plates and my mugs and cups under there. And then of course I have my ring light. Everything that's surrounding it is another picture from the first room tour. It says study, sleep, repeat. And then of course I have a mirror. Every room comes with a mirror. And then, you know, got a couple snacks for the girls on my floor. I bought juices, pop, more juices, water. And then I have apples, applesauce, and just some soup in there, and little snacks and stuff. So over here, right by the front door, there is a closet. So we're gonna go over here to the closet, and of course I have my coats and stuff up on the hook. And in the inside of my closet, as you guys can see, I have my cleaning products at the top right there, and then I have like deodorant and little body wash and stuff that I use if I run out. And then I have my books right there for class. And then on the second shelf I have all of my Uggs because it's cold right now. And then I have my gym shoes, and then all my clothes are right here in the middle or closest to the bottom of the floor. This closet is very different from the closet as a regular student. It's a little bit more high up, and your clothes aren't so close to the ground. And then I have my gym shoes at the bottom. So that is what the closet looks like, as you guys can see. Alright, so as you guys can see, we're gonna walk over here to my bed, which I've added a lot of pillows. I've added this big red heart pillow and a smaller pink heart pillow, and this pillow right here that says love you most. And then I've added this little fluffy little, I think it's like a headboard pillow, I'm not sure. And you guys should remember this bulletin, BUAMU. On it, it has my calendar, my school schedule right there for this semester, and this schedule right here is my RA schedule and my work schedule along with my school schedule all combined. And then right there I have just my RA duties and what I have to do, and just a weekly and monthly reminder when I wake up if I got something going on. And then under the bed is pretty much the same. I have my bins right there. I have my hair care products right there. And then I have my clothes, my towels and stuff. And then here I have noodles in that one, miscellaneous things in that bin. And then I have some more school products, school supplies in that bin. And then underneath I have my shoes back there when I want to go out. And then of course I brought my autumn bag that was gonna be with me forever. And then another new addition to my room, if you guys can see, I have a coat rack now, and just trying to fill some space in my room because it is very big. So as you guys can see, I have my cute little pieces on display, and then I have my shoes at the bottom here. So I have my purses on the ends, and then I have my kimonos and my throws and my jackets that I wear very often, and the cute clothes that I think look really pretty and make the room, you know, vibe out. And then we have another door. So let's see what's behind door number 3. So, as an RA, I have my own bathroom. Let me cut the light on. So, right there is my shower, and everything is pink, of course. I have my hamper right there, and the toilet and stuff, and you know, I have the sink with all my products and stuff on it, and it has a mirror. And this is what my shower curtain looks like. I got it from Amazon. It's super cute. And it's my robe, and y'all need to see the inside, but I have my own bathroom, which is a vibe. Period. This is the RA's bathroom. And on the other side of that door is a student, but they don't have access to my bathroom. We have to use the bathroom that's on the other side. So, and of course I brought my headboard back, as you guys can see, and that will basically conclude my updated room tour of the RA's room. And it's a single. I don't share this room with anybody. It's just me, myself, and I in here. And I'm gonna show you guys the night view, what it looks like when I turn off the lights. So as you guys can see, I have lights all around the top of the room, and they go all the way around, and that's where they stop, and they start again until you get all the way back to the window. Here's the better room as a whole. And the desk and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour. It's like midnight, or like almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I just wanted to show you guys my room as an RA and give you guys an updated version of my life, because it's forever changing. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you.